Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well and welcome to another studio vlog. So this month's vlog is going to be a little different. As you can see or already noticed that I am posting during the first week of October. Now I have a really good reason for this, and that is because I am working on a very fun Christmas shop update. So I worked on all these goodies, I think towards the last few days of September. Hopefully you guys will be able to see this vlog at the beginning of October where my shop update is actually live. I think by the time this video is up, it should have gone live, maybe just a few days from now, so hopefully you guys were able to get something cool from the shop update. Now you may be wondering, why is my Christmas shop update happening in October? Isn't it supposed to be all about Halloween and all those spooky seasons? And the answer is yes, it's supposed to be Halloween and spooky and all witchy and stuff. So don't worry about that. I'm also doing a witch themed Chuubibi on my Instagram, so we'll still be celebrating Halloween. But I also wanted to do an early Christmas shopping sale because I know that shipping has been quite a pain throughout these last 2 years, and I thought it would be pretty cool if we actually got our gifts on time this year. So I wanted to do it a few months early just in case shipping takes forever again. So that's pretty much the main reason why Christmas is coming early in October. Now to get into the whole Christmas season, I also bought some cool gold ink from Liquitex. And I wanted to do some really cute little wrapping paper for orders. So today I did some reindeer and Christmas leaf wrapping paper. I didn't really have a printer with me this whole year pretty much, so I have been hand painting every single wrapping paper. So I hope you guys do appreciate the little unique touches to each wrapping paper. They'll be very unique since I hand painted each one with cool little gold. Look at that gold shimmer. So yeah, the reason why I wanted to add these cute little touches of custom wrapping paper is because growing up I've always really liked the idea of Christmas and like presents and the cute wrapping paper for all the presents. So I thought, why not make that an option in the shop? And of course, I wanted to make it affordable, so I've made it around $5 for extra gift wrapping and a personalized message which you can add to your order. So I'm really excited about that because I am so excited to be painting more leaves and reindeers and wrapping everyone's presents as Christmas presents. So I'm just really excited. Oh yes, I have a question for you guys which I want you to leave in the comments. Do you guys prefer longer videos like the last one for September's studio vlog? Or do you prefer more frequent posts but shorter videos? So today's video is only like I think 10 minutes or so long, which is half of last month's video. So do let me know which one you prefer. Do you want to see more frequent posts but they're shorter, or do you prefer a big long summary of the whole month? Not gonna lie, when I was painting these wrapping papers, it felt so fun. For some reason I was so tempted while painting the reindeers to actually just dip my thumb into the paint and just print the heads with my thumb. But then I was like, what if I left my fingerprints on there? It'll look really awkward and weird. So I was like, oh, I'll just paint it normally. But yeah, I might try out painting with my thumbs next and see how that goes. But yeah, I really enjoyed using the new gold ink, and I've got really exciting projects which will pop up after the wrapping paper, and it's basically these hand embellished gold prints of the sun and moon goddesses. And I'm really excited for those as well because I'm also going to be adding those into the shop update. I'm like planning to make maybe 5 to 10 hand embellished prints for each design. Hopefully I do manage to get those done, but we'll see how it goes. In the meantime, I hope you guys enjoyed this little snippet of me just painting cool leaves and plants and reindeers for Christmas.
Ready any moment to fall apart. Gonna wait to see if I'm any nearer.
Oh, okay, so here we are. I'm just using the same gold ink and hand embellishing, which is pretty much painting on top of the print of the sun goddess. I've always really liked and found hand embellished paintings or prints really cool because it adds that special touch of shimmer and magic on top of the print, and it also makes the print extra special. So I'm just really excited. And the other cool thing about it is that every single print is going to be unique because of how I hand painted it. I mean, ideally it would be pretty cool to gold foil it, but I don't have the resources for that, so I couldn't do that. But then hand embellishing is pretty cool too, which makes it more like the original painting, so I do like that part about it. Also, let me know in the comments if that's something which you guys want to see more in the shop updates. Do you guys want to see more gold foiled prints, which I might need to think of how to even do that, or if you guys want to see more hand embellished prints and what type of embellishings you want to see. I'm thinking of trying like glitter flakes or rhinestones, or I don't know, more metallic watercolors. Do let me know what you guys want to see. Look at that shimmer. And then next I'm working on the moon goddess, which, oh gosh, I really like her. So yeah, I had a lot of fun working on all of the embellishings. I hope you guys did enjoy this video too. Which reminds me, we're coming to the end of the video, so I hope you guys did enjoy it. And don't forget to check out the shop update. I've added a lot of cool stuff. So like I've added some gift wrapping options, I've added some earrings, which I'm so excited. And I'll put some images of them right now. Oh, and I've also got the pre-order for the zodiac charms and calendar for 2022. So this shop update is really big and I'm so excited. So I hope you guys are excited too, and I'll see you very soon. And thank you guys so much for your awesome support by watching my videos and checking out my other social media. And yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!